Mr. Speaker, if you like, you can take me anywhere or wherever you want, and I will not apologize or with
Point of order. Point of order. What is it, honorable member?
Point of order.
Yes.
I want to protect my president.
Yes.
Dr. William Ruto. Mheshimiwa, just a question. Unasema kwamba Mheshimiwa William ni Zakayo. Kuna mahali William amepanda miti ukamwona akipanda juu ya mti? Je, kuna mahali umeona William akiwa mfupi wenye Zakayo alikuwa mfupi? Kwa hivyo tuongee ukweli. Mheshimiwa, tuongee ukweli.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Speaker.
Order, honorable member. Sijaona point of order yenye ameraise, lakini ameraise questions. Sasa kama unaweza jibu kidogo question moja na uproceed.
Mr. Speaker, I'll answer my fellow member of parliament that the so-calling your president, si president, if you accept, is Zakayo according to the character traits he's portraying. The same character traits Zakayo had are the same characters William Ruto has in Kenya. Mr. Speaker, Zakayo was a dictator in Israel, a dictator tax collector. And William Ruto is dictating Kenya.
A minute.
Yes.
What is it, honorable member?
Mbunge mwenzangu, kama ni ukweli wa mambo, unaweza tusaidia wakati unajaribu kusema our president William Samuel Arap Ruto is not a president. How can you prove to us that William is not a president?
I can prove to you, Mr. Speaker, yes, that William Ruto, the son of Sugoi, is not a president of Kenya. He is not the president of the Republic of Kenya. He was given it through backdoor. I have not accepted that Ruto is the president.
Honorable member. Honorable member.
Mr. Speaker, will you allow me to go to the motion?
Honorable member. Honorable member. Honorable member. Ukisema William Ruto sio president wa Kenya, sio president wako ama sio president wa Kenya?
Si president wangu, na si president wa Budalangi, na si president wa Embakasi East, si president kwa Njenga, na si president kwa Azimio.
Thank you. Proceed. Proceed, honorable member. Proceed. Proceed. Honorable member, proceed.
Okay, Mr. Speaker, allow me to go to the motion direct.
Yes.
Mr. Speaker, I was saying, nilikuwa nasema hivi, those 85 people who didn't vote.
Honorable member. What is it?